Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A54s. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and transit. Firstly, let's enter loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Let's go back and now let's enter gift card. Select gift card you would like to add, for example MediaMarkt Poland. And now enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. Last card you can add is transit. If you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will be right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.